2 from 5. This is the final heat of JV, heat 10 of 10. Swimming in lane number 2, Meg Fortner, lane 3, Sammy Schendorf, lane 4, Jensen Wallace, and lane 5, Megan Gilbert. Sammy split a 29-37, Jensen split a 30-32. Meg split a 30-82, and Megan split a 32-32. Oh man, yeah, okay. Sammy's second 50 was a 31-27. Jensen's second 50 was a 33.03. Meg's second 50 was a 32.72, and Megan was a 33.81. Jensen finished up with a, Sammy finished up with a 100.64. Meg was at a 103.54. Jensen was at a 103.35, and Megan was at a 106.13.